Ever wondered how people build massive wealth starting from absolutely nothing? Well, today on Dollar IQ, I'm breaking down a clear step-by-step guide you can follow, even if you're starting with zero savings. Stick around because the last step can literally change your life. Welcome to Dollar IQ, your ultimate source for smart money moves and financial growth. If you're serious about building real wealth and creating financial freedom, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Let's dive right in. You have to believe that wealth is possible for you. Most millionaires today are self-made, not born into rich families. Building wealth is not about luck. It's about mindset, skills, and daily habits. Start thinking long-term, not short-term. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Quick fact. Studies show 88% of millionaires are first-generation rich. They built it themselves. Without goals, you're just drifting. Set clear, specific targets. Do you want $10,000 in savings? $100,000 investment portfolio? Debt-free life in 3 years? Write your goals down. Visualize them daily. Your brain needs a destination to create a roadmap. Before you can invest or grow, you have to save. Follow the simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% of income on needs, 30% on wants, 20% on savings and investments. Pay yourself first. The moment money hits your account, put 20% into savings before spending a single dollar. Challenge. Try a no-spend week every month to boost your saving game. Relying on one job is risky. Wealthy people build multiple sources of income. Here's where you can start. Freelancing online. Selling products online. Affiliate marketing. Stock investments. Real estate micro-investments. You don't need to start all at once. Pick one side hustle, grow it, then add more over time. Quote, Warren Buffett said, "Never depend on a single income. Make investments to create a second source. Saving is good. Investing is better. Because inflation eats away at your cash over time, you must invest to grow your money. Start simple. Index funds like the S&P 500 Real Estate Investment Trusts, DREITs. Even small amounts in crypto, carefully. And remember, only invest in what you understand. Never blindly follow trends. The biggest mistake? People give up too soon. Compounding is magical but slow in the beginning. Over time, your money starts earning money. And that earned money earns even more money. Example, investing just $200 per month at a 10% return could turn into nearly $395,000 in 30 years. Patience isn't just a virtue, it's the secret to serious wealth. And that's how you build wealth from scratch, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to Dollar IQ, and turn on notifications. Got any questions or want a part 2? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep thinking smart, keep building smart.